Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of a life where you can work from anywhere, on your terms, and earn a substantial income? If your answer is yes, then get ready to learn a game-changing strategy that can help you make $1,400 or more per week, all from the comfort of your own home. Welcome to this training tutorial, where we'll dive into the world of online earning opportunities and explore a powerful technique that can transform your financial situation. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey that will open doors to a world of possibilities beyond your wildest dreams. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard of the website MindSumo? If not, you're in for a real treat. MindSumo is an online platform that connects companies with problem solvers like you, offering lucrative opportunities to showcase your skills and earn substantial rewards. It's a goldmine waiting to be tapped into, and today, I'm going to show you how to strike it rich. Imagine being able to tap into a vast pool of challenges and projects, ranging from marketing and creativity to technical and business-related tasks. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Spotify, Microsoft, Mercedes-Benz, and Starbucks have all turned to MindSumo to seek innovative solutions from talented individuals just like you. These are household names, and they're willing to pay top dollar for your expertise and ideas. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have any specialized skills or expertise. How can I possibly compete with professionals in these fields? Well, that's where the beauty of this strategy lies. With the help of a few simple tools and techniques, you can transform your writing abilities into a money-making machine, even if you don't consider yourself a skilled writer. Let us walk you through the process step by step. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge and resources you need to start earning a life-changing income from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on mindsumo.com. It's quick and easy, and you'll have access to a world of opportunities right at your fingertips. Don't worry about any upfront costs or hidden fees. This is a 100% free platform that puts your earning potential in your hands. Step 2. Browse through the available challenges and projects and select the ones that pique your interest. Don't be intimidated by the topics or the complexity of the tasks. We've got a secret weapon to help you out. Whether it's a marketing challenge, a technical problem, or a creative endeavor, there's something for everyone on MindSumo. Step 3. Copy the question or challenge prompt from MindSumo and head over to google.com. Paste the question into the search bar and let Google work its magic. Spend some time researching and gathering relevant information from reputable sources to formulate a comprehensive answer. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more information you can gather, the stronger your submission will be. Step 4. Now, here's where the real game changer comes in. Visit quillbot.com, a powerful AI-powered tool that can rewrite your content in a unique and plagiarism-free manner. Simply paste the information you gathered from Google and let Quillbot work its magic, transforming your words into an entirely new and original piece of content. Quillbot is like having a personal writing assistant who understands the intricacies of language and can help you craft compelling, engaging, and wholly unique submissions. It's a game changer in the world of online writing, and it's going to be your secret weapon in this journey. Step 5. Polish your newly crafted answer by copying it into Google Docs. Here, you can fine-tune the formatting, add headings, and make any necessary adjustments to ensure a professional and polished submission. This step is crucial because it shows that you've put in the extra effort to make your work stand out from the crowd. Step 6. Download your document as a PDF and submit it back to MindSumo, confident that you've created a unique and compelling response that showcases your knowledge, creativity, and attention to detail. And the best part, MindSumo offers substantial rewards for the winning submissions, ranging from $20 to $300 or even more, depending on the complexity and scope of the challenge. Imagine being able to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars simply by providing well-researched, expertly crafted solutions to real-world problems. But wait, there's more. This strategy isn't limited to Mindsumo alone. It's just the tip of the iceberg. Some numerous other platforms and websites actively seek high-quality, original content and are willing to pay top dollar for it. Imagine being able to leverage your writing skills and earn money from websites like Cantina, Blasting News, Listverse, Instant Shift, Writers Weekly, Long Grids, and even renowned publications like Cosmopolitan. Yes, you read that right. With the right approach and a little bit of determination, you could be earning money from some of the most prestigious names in the industry, all while working from the comfort of your own home. On Cantina, you can find a wealth of writing gigs and job opportunities, with some projects paying upwards of $33,000. Blasting News operates on a pay-per-click model, meaning you can earn up to $20 for every 1,000 views your article receives. Listverse is a goldmine for listicle writers, offering $100 for engaging, well-researched list articles. Instant Shift caters to the design and programming crowd, providing guidance and opportunities to showcase your expertise in those fields. Writers Weekly is all about helping writers like you earn more money from their craft, offering $60 for 600-word articles filled with valuable tips and advice. Long Grids is a haven for long-form writers, paying up to $500 for compelling personal essays and in-depth features. Cosmopolitan, one of the world's most iconic magazines, is always on the lookout for fresh, engaging content for both their print and online platforms, paying $200 per 1,000 words. Truly, the possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is limitless. Now we know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But let me assure you, this is a legitimate and proven method that has helped countless individuals achieve financial freedom and live the life of their dreams. However, I must emphasize that success with this strategy requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to continuously improve your skills. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a sustainable and rewarding path for those who are willing to put in the effort. As you embark on this journey, remember to always maintain the highest standards of quality and integrity. Plagiarism is a big no-no in the world of writing, and it's crucial to ensure that your submissions are 100% original and plagiarism-free. So, are you ready to take the leap and embark on this exciting journey? If so, buckle up and get ready to unlock a world of endless possibilities. With the right mindset, dedication, and the powerful tools at your disposal, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. But let's be clear, success in this endeavor won't come overnight. It will require consistent effort, a willingness to learn and adapt, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. You may face rejection and setbacks along the way, but that's all part of the journey. The key is to never give up, to learn from your mistakes, and to continuously refine your approach. One of the most valuable assets you can cultivate is a growth mindset. Embrace the idea that your skills and abilities are not fixed, but rather they can be developed and improved over time. Every challenge, every rejection, and every piece of feedback is an opportunity to grow and become better. We hope you will like this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this valuable information. And subscribe to my channel for more life-changing tips and strategies. Together, we can unlock the doors to financial freedom and live the life we've always dreamed of. So let's get started on this exciting journey and make 2024 the year when you finally take control of your financial destiny.